In this video, you'll learn how to get the MD5 hash of any string using just the terminal on Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. Now, type the command echo n hello world vertical bar MD5 sum. Let's break that down. The echo command prints your string. The n option tells it not to add a new line at the end. That's important. Without it, the hash will be different because the new line becomes part of the string. Then we use the pipe symbol. That's the vertical bar. It sends the output from echo into the next command. The next command is MD5 sum. This tool reads whatever comes from the input and gives back the MD5 hash. When you press enter, you'll see a long string of letters and numbers. That's your MD5 hash. If you want to save it to a file, just add this to the end. hash.txt. So the full command looks like this. Echo n your string vertical bar MD5 sum hash.txt. Now the hash will be saved in a file called hash.txt. You can check the contents of that file by typing cat hash.txt. This method is quick and works right away on most Ubuntu systems. You don't need to install anything extra. That's how you get an MD5 hash from a string using the terminal. Thanks for watching.